You might not think you have a lead problem, but chances are you do. Not because you're bad at what you do, but because most people have no idea what actually happens to their leads after they meet them. And that's a massive issue. If you're trying to grow a business, a client list, or a personal brand, or anything in general, this is going to cost you way more than you know. And this is what most people don't realize. The moment you meet someone at an event, a meetup, or through a friend, that's the peak moment. That's your highest chance of making something happen. But if you leave that moment without a system to capture it, that connection starts to fade away fast. So what ends up happening? The lead goes cold. Opportunities disappear completely. And worst of it all, you don't even know it happened. In business, leads are oxygen. Every client you worked with, every deal, every referral, or partnership, it all started with a lead. Sometimes it's just a message, a handshake, or a quick chat. But what most people forget is that you don't get paid from making connections. You get paid from managing and securing them. That means following up, building trust, moving the relationship forward, and of course, winning them. If you're not doing that consistently, you're just collecting first impressions. And first impressions without a follow-through are basically worthless. I'm Crystal, the content and social media manager here at One Good Card, and in this video, I'm going to show you why most people keep losing leads and how you can fix your follow-up with a system that takes just under 10 seconds per contact. The main reason why people keep losing good leads is that they don't have a system to help them manage the leads they get. They meet someone at an event, maybe they save a contact, maybe not. They say, let's connect to each other. But when they leave the event, life continues to happen. Maybe they did connect with each other on LinkedIn, but that's it. No follow-up, no plan. And so the lead dies in a day or two because nothing followed through. And the worst part is that they don't even notice it happened. That lost opportunity never shows up in your inbox saying, hey, I would have hired you if you followed up. It just disappears. And that's the danger that we like to call it, a silent lead loss. There's no follow-up, no contact saved with a business card or phone number. So it's simply just another contact in your pocket. By the time you think of them again, it's probably been too long and has pretty much turned awkward if you try to reach out again. Others may have probably forgotten you, or worse, they may have hired someone else for the job or project you're interested in. So with that in mind, now multiply it by 10 per week and a few per event and over a few months. That's hundreds of lost leads, thousands in lost revenue that never even made it into your system. Of course, besides money, it could also be missed opportunities for collaborations, referrals, jobs, gigs, or even friendships or mentors. This is one of the biggest invisible leaks in every freelancer, founder, and sales representative workflow. And for those people who fix this early, they get to scale faster, build stronger networks, and grow with less stress because they have visibility in the networks they are in. So the obvious question is, if the leads are this important and if most of us are losing them all the time, what would it look like to actually fix this? Well, you do not need to attend a sales course to understand how to close a deal, nor do you need to network more. Just because you network more does not equate to you securing all those leads that you come across too. You simply need a system to capture a contact instantly, to track the lead progress, and to actually see your network grow over time. That's it. It's so simple, it should not cost you anything more. So that brings me to our self-plug time. But honestly, this is the exact problem we set out to solve. We were tired of seeing people keep losing their leads. They are all hardworking professionals that do care, but it's because they didn't have a system that fit to how real people actually work and connect. Hence, they're losing out. That's why we built One Good Card CRM, a tool that combines a digital business card and a simple yet powerful CRM that actually gets used. And if you have watched till this point of the video, this could really add value to your career. Let me break down how this tool works and how you can actually benefit from it. It all starts with a digital business card. Instead of handing out a paper name card that they'll probably lose in a couple of hours or tossed in a drawer, you simply just tap your business card on your smartphone and instantly your contact information will pop up right on your phone screen. Besides sharing your contact information, you too can get their information from your OneGit card. When they tap your card and open your link, you can prompt them to leave their name and phone number using the contact form widget. And you can add their contact details directly into your built-in CRM. This is where most people drop the ball. They got each other's contact information and they leave it as it is. So by the time they remember to follow up, it's too late. But with OneGit card, you're capturing the lead as soon as the energy is real, aka right when you guys exchange business card. You do not need to rely on memory or chasing scraps of info 2 or 3 days later. Everything is right in your dashboard and already organized. Remember earlier when I said that it takes less than 10 seconds per contact? Yes, I meant it. Once you've set up the system the way you like it, your profile, your contact form, the groups, etc., now every new connections becomes very simple. Let's say you meet someone, they tap your card and send their info through your card. And in seconds, that contact is saved directly into your CRM. From there, it's just a couple taps. You can add them to a group, maybe it's like leads in June, potential partners, or design clients. You can also add notes to remember the contacts. Like, I've met her at the business show and she's interested in a collaboration. And then you can immediately create a deal for them in your sales pipeline too. Now, this is the part that helps you to remember people and track actual opportunities. Your pipeline is completely customizable. You set the stages. For example, the first one is new lead, second is contacted, third is follow-up, fourth is proposal sent, and lastly, closed won. This should match your workflow or how your business operates, so please feel free to customize it however you like it. You can just drag and drop leads through the stages as things progress. And over time, you will see your pipeline fill up with real opportunities and not just names that you forgot to follow up with. So yes, this is our product and this is the plug. But honestly, it is what we genuinely believe that every founder, freelancer, consultant, or creator needs. A simple tool that helps you to capture the momentum before it fades. A CRM that's totally yours and one that works the way you work. If you're serious about not letting leads slip through the cracks, this is hands down the best way we know to stay on top of it. You don't need to meet more people to win. Just stop losing the ones you've already met. The link to our website is in the description box below if you want to find out more. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye!